When the event of gardening comes as the subject matter, then some gardening tool also come with it. Yes, some gardening tool. One of them is Seeker that is used for farming. The Seeker, that is my today's event, and I am going to introduce it to my YouTube friends. Here the packet has come from the courier service, the online company, I mean e-company. Yes, from Amazon, the world's most famous company, e-delivery company. See the Amazon logo and Amazon peripherals is here. This is the matter of the total production here. Yes, the matter of my product, shipped to and other peripherals, which can be recognized from the outer packet. See, all this here. The Amazon seller services, all is here. To the address, the barcode, this shipped to address, from where I have gotten it. So my address actually here. Here is this, the city, description, sector, zone, and again the barcode. All is here. The invoice, that is the type, the loan and plateau. Yes, all is here. And then it is the outer packet. It is the outer logo and it is the outer bill. You can recognize anything. Yes, it is all by all. So I am going to cut it for the inner peripherals. Yes, I am going to cut it with my scissor. Yes, yes, I am going to cut it. See, no, till now it is not quite easy to open, so I have to cut it quite clearly. See, the all peripherals are quite fixed and I have to cut it. Yes, I am cutting this from side. Yes, I am cutting it from this side. You can see the reflection here. It is for night and the upper lights, the flashlights. No, till not now. Here is still there. I am going to tear open it, so I am going to cut it again. Yes, I have cut it. See the product, the bill, all is here. Here is the project. I am getting the product here. Yes, the product is here. I am showing you the product packet. Main packet is here. Main packet, I am showing you the main packet. Now I am going to say about something about these bills. Yes, Amazon.in. Yes, this is the bill. See, this is the sector address. See, by this is mine address. Yes, the GST registration, all is here, all this area. And see, this is the billing address at first, then shipping address. This is the billing address and shipping address is same as the two ordered to the same destination. I have gotten it from the same destination. Billing and shipping is in same destination. So I am going to keep it aside. Yes, I am keeping all the packet. Yes, I am keeping this all the website. As for the product, see the fronting signature for branding. Actually, it is a garden tool. See, I am opening this. See the glazy product, and Here's the details. It is from the company Falcon, and the other products of Falcons are also here. See the peripherals of the C-catcher, the accessories of the free catcher, how it is combined into the total shape. See one, the glass and the blade, the handle, and the springs. Actually this is inside, and I am opening this. It is locked actually, and how to open the lock? And this is the screw here. No, not now. I'm going to say this side. This is here. Yes, here, and I am going to open it. Unlock. This is the total Falcon slippery. How to cut the branches is here, like this. You must take 45 degrees angle before cutting. The precaution and maintenance, and see the rate 400 150 400 150 all is here. Cutting yes, oh yes, it is cutting capacity. This is the cutting capacity. Yes, the cutting capacity is here. Size 200 mm. Yes, size, total size 200 mm, and cutting capacity 12.14 mm. Yes, see it is how to cut. I'm showing video. See, this is, and now I am going to show the application of the C-catcher. See the lock and unlock. This lock, and here is unlock. Yes, after unlocking, it is wide open, and with this wide open C-catcher, I am cutting the branches of this marigold. China rose plant. Yes, it is a China rose plant, and I am cutting its branches through it. See the 45-degree angle, and you must take this 45-degree angle in the time of cutting. I am cutting them one by one. See how I am cutting this very easily. I am cutting this very quickly and easily, and here this is branches. This is quite thick, but it will cut. Yes, cut. See, I have cut these branches, and these will also cut. They are taking quite branches. You may take straight, but 45-degree angle is prescribed for the longevity of it. Yes, and you must not take thick branches out of its capacity in the time of cutting. How? That is, I am showing it. Yes, just wait for something. Yes, just wait. Cutting this. No, this is also cut. Yes, it's cut. Cut and cut. And now this is, see, it is a oversized bunch, and it is not captured in my C-catcher, so it will not cut through it. Round palette, no, it is not possible. You cannot do this with it. And I am going to the next part from here. Yes, there's a cutting this, and I am going to the next part. Yes, there's a cut actually. So again, this is the total cutting, and it is here my boundary, and I am cutting the quite hard branches through the C-catcher. See, it is through this line of the wire I am cutting this. Yes, you can use your hair also here for the better grip and the better movement, and with the speed. See, it is, I'm cutting these branches, but if you want to cut quite hard branch, it's the cicature with which you must do this, and that is I am doing. Yes, I've done this. See this, I'm doing this. See the total branches I'm cutting with this. That's see. And now I am going to the another part, not this. And from here, yes, see, this is the eggplant or brinjal plant, and it is used to cut the vegetable. I'm cutting it and just cut it like this. Like this, so it is cut, and now it is how to keep it in shape. You must remove this type of ends. Yes, and you must scratch it, iron it, and like this you must remove all the leaves and the other peripherals from this before keeping, and you must use some machine oil like lubricant before keeping. That is I am using. See, I am using it in its joints, and I am coating it with it. See, total body is coated with the oil, especially the joints. You can see them. It is also it is totally use. I am totally use this. I am keeping this, and here is the cicature. No, I am giving this cicature in good position. Yes, it is stopped and it is locked. So here I am going to bye bye.